Okay, well, hello Habibi. Welcome to our final English test, especially speaking test. So on this occasion, I would like to ask you several questions that relate to yourself and IDN. First questions, please tell me about yourself.
Okay. Hello. My name is Habib Abdurrahman. Now I'm 15 years old. My hobby is playing basketball. Uh, why I like basketball? Because I see my friends when I at 7th grade. I see my friends so cool play basketball. That's why uh, I love basketball. For some reason, like my mom tell me like this, baby, you must play basketball because if you play basketball, you can be tall. So I play basketball because that. Next is what is my favorite food is noodle. Why I love noodle because uh, when I am born in this boarding school, uh, I must to be fast for eat, for take a bath, and for eating. So when I eat noodle, instant noodle, so make me easy to make it to make fast. Uh, and then next is what is my favorite drink? For my favorite drinks is I love my favorite drink is I love milk because uh, when I drink milk I will be tall than before. So I drink milk every night. Next question, sir.
How was your IT skill before coming to IDN?
Uh, for IT skill, before at Eden, my IT skill so bad because my mom and my dad there is there is no IT and not understand about IT. So my IT skill so beginner before EDN. Like I'm so I don't know uh, how to record in laptop, how to upload YouTube, how to upload anything because uh, I'm so I don't know how to learn. That's next is like my I'm so beginner to design. I don't know what is software from design. The yeah, maybe just that. My IT before going to the end, so beginner. Next question, sir.
Next questions, how is your learning progress during these 3 years? You can tell 4 subjects: IT, Linear, English, and Catholic.
I will explain about from Tafis first. My Tafis in the end, I think not grow because my Tafis skill when I'm in elementary uh, better than going to the end because like my I memorize 29 and 28 is good than any the end. So my toughest I mean grow but just little. just the macros. I think I grow in macros. Yeah, just macros. I think because in the end I just memorize, not add my memorize Al-Quran. Because target in the end when I 7th grade is 4 or 3, I forget. And then when I 8th grade is 6 again to be 3. And then now to be 2, but you must memorize. You must good like Mutkin. You know what is the next ayat, nah, like that. To use, but you must Mutkin. So the IT progress, my IT progress, so grow before I go to the end. Now I can make some poster, video editing, and then robotic, and then design UI UX. So my progress when my progress in IT is so good. Now I'm my skill I think better than other student in outside of Iden. My English progress so grow because in the end you must 100% speak English from wake up until sleep. Not until sleep sih, like at 9:30 you can speak bahasa. So until from 7 until 9:30 you must 100% speak English. That's why my English so grow because I get new vocabularies from my friend. So I get some word like word from in bedroom, hurry up, like that. That's why my English so grow before I go to Eden. My progress so good, my English so better than before I go to Eden, because before I go to Eden I'm so hard to speak English because I'm so angry with English. I don't like English because English so hard. But when I go to the end, my English is better than before.
Okay, next questions. Please tell me again that you have created topic game.
My just game, sir. Cannot. Okay. My favorite game is this game is not there is no in listening IDN, but I make with my team in IDN. Like this game is for festival, like that. The game is about parkour. Like there is stickman, and then there is some stage you must go to next step like jump like that. This game is so funny and I love this game because uh, like for several code I get from my game, but for several again I get from YouTube. Nah, that's why this game is so good. I mean the best game ever I make because the game like different when before my game because the game like you can checkpoint, you can jump, and you can run. That's why I love this game. You can, for example, I wanna tell what is the objective of this game first. The objective of this game first is you can go. The objective is you collect the coin. This game is can there is a timer for this game. If you fast, you can get hacks. There is in home there is high score like Google game Google Dino in Google Chrome. There is some high score, but the high score is the timer. This game is have this game have 10 level or 10 stage. So if you finish 10 stage at 10 or 10 second or 9 second, that you can get high score in that game. Okay, next is you for play this game like you jump, and then there is some wall. The wall you cannot if you touch the wall you can eliminate, and then you can repeat to base. So you must avoid the red wall or red floor if you want to next to the next stage. But if you already avoid, you must collect the coin. That if already next to the next stage is more harder than before the previous stage. Like the coin over there, this. So that's why the game is good because I make this game is collaboration with my friend. I make this with 3 or 4 friends, I forget, and then this game is show in IDN open house. Okay, sir.
Last questions. Any words for IDN?
Anyway, for IDN is IDN is a good school. IDN is good school ever when I live. Then
Okay, well, thank you, Habibi.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video I want to continue the second part of my final target. This second part is about country. So, in this slide I will explain about Netherlands. Okay. What do I want to go to the Netherlands? Of course, I wanna find a new atmosphere in Netherlands. Like in Netherlands, I'm interested to the flower because in Netherlands have so many places. There is some good flowers and then smell good. Then there is a place, a good place for take a picture, take a video, or take a short movie. That's why I wanna go to Netherlands. But for some reason I wanna go to Netherlands because the weather. I think in the Netherlands there is some cold weather. There is winter. That's why I wanna go to Netherlands. Next is interesting thing in the Netherlands. There is four interesting thing in Netherlands, but I just what tell you just two interesting thing in Netherlands. The first interesting thing in Netherlands is if you ride bike, you can get money, but I don't know I don't know how to get money. But I search in Google. If you ride the bike, you you can get money. The second interesting thing in Netherlands have many places. In the first, I say in the first slide, in the Netherlands there is some many flower and then some many place. There is some flower. That's the interesting thing in Netherlands. Next in the next slide is the habit of the Dutch people. The first habit is, I will tell you first just one habit, that is cycling. Maybe this habit make some people in Netherlands the height so tall. That's why the habit can make your life for example, like if your habit always sleep, maybe you can be lazy people. If your habit bicycle, maybe your height can be tall like Netherlands people. That's why in the Netherlands is the first rank and the taller people in the world. Next, I will explain about how much money do I need if I wanna go to Netherlands. Okay. First prepare is money for buy a ticket. I search in Google from Jakarta to the Netherlands. You must spend around 12 million for 12 million rupiah for go to Netherlands. You must spend around 12 million just for go. And then I have to prepare money for the hotel. Maybe it's much. I think around 10 or 15 million for some like hotel and then food. And then the next step is what is the traditional food in Netherlands. The traditional food in Netherlands is poffertjes. It's like like pancake, but is small, and then more soft than pancake. If pancake big, the poffertjes is small. But poffertjes usually eat when morning, when before go to school or go to work. This traditional food from Netherlands. Next, uh, fact about Netherlands that I say, Netherlands is the first ranked tolerant people in the world, because the habit is bicycle. That's why Netherlands can be the first rank in the taller people in the world. Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if my word or my vocabularies or my pronunciation so bad, because I'm still learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, I'm gonna continue my final target. That is the third target. Then the title is first project, corporate project in IDN Boarding School. I hope this video is right line. Okay. So I have three corporate project. The first is play, poster, and group parkour. So I will explain group parkour first. Why I chose this project to be my favorite project, because this project I made together with my friend, and then this project is for IDN Fest. I'll tell you some little bit story why I make this game. Because when I 7 or 8 grade, I have task from my teacher to make some game. In 7 grade, to make some game for show in IDN Fest. So the team is spin wheel, and then I get my team. In my team there is 3 or 5 people, forget. So I search the game from Google. Then I found the example game from Google. So I make that game with a friend. The objective of this game is, you can see this slide. The objective of this game is, there is some character, and then if you hit the front, the red floor or red wall, you can eliminate, and then you can go to this. If you want to max level, you must collect this coin. So that's why I like this game, because this game is funny and good. Next, I will explain about poster. Why I choose poster to be my favorite project. Not poster sih. All project about design. I love the project, but I will explain about just about the poster why the poster is favorite. Because I make this poster when I read I make this poster out myself. So this poster is about this. This poster why I like this why this poster is my favorite project because I like design. Okay, next is about daily player. Why this? Why this to be my favorite body? Because in daily player, I make this in 100. For example, this application is about daily prayer, like prayer for morning and night, and then prayer for outside from home, and then prayer from before you eat and then after you eat or drink, and then prayer for referee, then prayer for zikir for salat, after salat, and salat like that, and then next is prayer good attitude. Okay, for we'll explain a little bit more about this image. A little bit more about this application. This application is for helping Muslim. If there is Muslim don't know what is the prayer, so they can download this application for know what is the prayer. And then this application in this application there is many benefit from Muslim. The first benefit is you not have to search in any platform like Google. You just download this application and then you can know what is the prayer, and then this prayer is Arabic approved and then Sunnah. Okay, this project I will this is just one screen in Android application. In this application I just have one screen because there is some many, and then the application is the application name is Bitaqwa. And then I make this game. I make this game is part by part. So the first part is like I make calculator app, and then the second I make zikir, and then now is daily player. So in the Taqwa app there is many fitur. Then this is my voice because for make the screen so hard and then so many what so many hot from the skin. So I get many learn about what in this screen. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have sorry if I have some any wrong word or pronunciation because I'm learning. Okay, maybe this is the last project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.